going on? And right now, I'm not in the condition to make a video. Just kidding. But like, I ran a lot and I'm just so tired right now. And I haven't been uploading weekly because there was a problem. So I couldn't upload weekly. So like, I haven't uploading like, no, I just skipped one time of uploading. Like, I just skipped one Saturday, so I didn't upload on that Saturday. But at least normally last week, I uploaded in the week, so like, yeah. Today we're gonna be playing World Cruise Story. So it's loading. It's made by Carosoft. It's made by Carosoft. I'm sorry if I ain't pronouncing that correctly. Start. Oh, maybe I want to get the full version. No, we're gonna start with this one. Maytune Gamer YT. Oh, frick. Okay, I don't know if this is... Do you want to call it Maytune? Okay. I'm just call it Tune Gamer. There. Maybe I might change my channel name to Tune Gamer and my animations thing to Tune Animations. So, what's going on? Okay, yay, I'm in. Hello, why hello there, my young Padawan. Apparently my first mate is talking. As of today, first might. Together we should travel around the world and make this a happy thing that everyone wants to share on. If you have any questions, choose help from the system menu. First, you want to build some more cabins. Choose build from the menu. Thank you a lot. That helped. Thanks. No, menu. Build. If first you want to build a cabin from facilities menu. Facilities. Scroll to each location, keep your finger on the item while scrolling, make one adjustment, tap to build. I guess yeah, I should mean like that. Also, you can put chairs here in a swimming pool. That's what I did when I was playing before. Like a really long time ago. And I just remembered, this would be an awesome game to put on my YouTube channel. Because I never used to have a YouTube channel before. Oh, we're supposed to put more than one. Right there. Another one right there. Another one right there. Another one right there. And another one right there. Great. Now back. 2 people are waiting to get on. Only 2 people? You tell me to build like... What? Okay. Location A. Added a prop. I made the investment menu. Give it a look if you have the time. As we travel around the world, we will sometimes be asked to invest various projects. Investing can attract new passengers or give us items. If you have some extra funds, you should consider it. To invest, select invest from the menu. How simple. Okay. Menu. Invest. Stateroom. Invest. Yes. I have no idea what I did. Understood. I'll take care of everything. What's a stateroom? Oh, hi there. I like following people. Okay, what's that invest for? You're getting low on funds. But don't panic, I have a little money saved up from the day fishing for tuna. You can have it, but it's all I have, so please try and be a bit more careful with your money. Here comes the part, I think. No, it didn't come. Alright, first passenger has checked into their cabin. The more popular cabin, the higher and fair evaluation points. Okay. When the evaluation point when the evaluation point cow gets full, the corresponding passenger number of fan goes up. I don't care. Oh, great! We're departing to Zangulu. And right now we're in Japan. Go. Latest Crew Express is now on sale. There has been yet another entry into the crowded cruise industry. This time, it's a ship named Tune Gamer. Wow, there's a ship named Tune Gamer? I never knew that. It's so cool! On its recent trip, it departed Japan and finishes on before returning home. The eyes of the world are on this new entrant. What kind of cruise ship will they develop into? We will continue to report as we get new information, as we evolve, as we grow, as we live. What does that mean? There is a room where passengers gather. Move the scroll bar down to see any bonus present. Oh. Another location. Okay, I don't really care. What, we're departing again? I think I want to move my bedrooms to... Now, following this guest, tap on him against the detail. Oh, we're following someone. Great. I'm not trying to follow you. He's not that happy. How do I leave him? I'm sorry, man, but forever I'll stalk you. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.